Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on railroad crossings, bridges, tunnels, and clearance, CDL rules you cannot ignore. The goal is to explain the fixed road hazards that commercial drivers must plan for before and during a route. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. Railroad crossings, bridges, tunnels, overpasses, weight limits, and clearance signs can become serious hazards for large commercial vehicles. A wrong decision can trap the vehicle, damage infrastructure, or create a collision with catastrophic consequences. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea. Some vehicles and cargo types must stop at railroad crossings. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea, low clearance and weight limits must be read before entry. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather, or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea, route planning matters for height, length, weight, and restrictions. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea, getting stuck is often a planning failure, not bad luck. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory. It is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, know the vehicle height, length, width, and weight before the trip. Second, read warning signs early and commit to safe decisions. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, never shift gears on railroad tracks when rules or training prohibit unsafe behavior. Fourth, use approved routes for commercial vehicles and restricted cargo. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you are right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. A bridge sign that shows a low clearance is not a suggestion. If the vehicle is too tall, the driver must stop before committing and find a legal alternate route. Continuing because the route seems convenient is unsafe. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition. Vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then, ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is assuming GPS is always truck safe. Another mistake is forgetting trailer height or load height. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is entering crossings or tunnels before confirming enough space. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short focused sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition without correction only repeats the same weakness. You are ready when you can explain what fixed hazards require a route decision before arrival. Use this memory cue: height, weight, length, route, stop. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter. Score your best.